Breaking updates coming in. The left fury continues over the horror. The party workers are holding a protest rally over the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape and murder case. These visuals are from Lal Bazar, where the protests are continuing. Remember, the doctors have also been protesting. Today, the left workers have also taken to the streets. They are demanding the resignation of the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. My colleague Pooja is joining us on the broadcast. Pooja, what's happening there on the ground? We can see the left workers protesting. What are their demands?
Well, absolutely. CPIM workers and leaders have taken out a march to Lal Bazar, the place where Kolkata Police Headquarters is housed. Remember, they started the march from College Square and were heading towards Lal Bazar. And several meters ahead of the Lal Bazar Kolkata Police Headquarters, we can see police have set up barricades. Police is saying that in and around Lal Bazar there is section 163 of the BNSS, which is the prohibitory orders, is imposed as a result of which they cannot go towards Lal Bazar. But you can see police have set up here 9-foot long barricades, and you can see there are workers who are trying to, go across this barricade, but police have prevented them. While on one side, police is making announcements that any breach in barricades would lead them to use tear gas shells and water cannons. But you can see the CPIM workers here who have assembled here are not just seeking the resignation of the West Bengal Chief Minister, but are also seeking and demanding justice for the RG Kar doctor who was raped and murdered. But clearly, tense situation here, several meters ahead of the Lal Bazar, where police have set up barricades and prevented the CPIM workers from advancing towards the Lal Bazar police headquarters.
Okay, all right. Pooja, is it possible for you to speak to some of the workers there on the demands that they've been having?
Yeah, I'll try and speak to some of the workers who are here and see what they have to say. Dada, आज आप लोग कौन सी डिमांड लेकर आए हैं यहाँ पर? क्या मांगे आप?
हम विचार मांगता है विचार। हमारा घर का लड़की को जो धर्षण हुआ है, जिसको खून किया है, उसका विचार हम मांग रहा है। हमको विचार चाहिए, विचार। हमारा जस्टिस चाहिए।
जाने नहीं दिया जा रहा है।
नहीं दिया जा रहा है। इसको बैरिकेड करके रखा है। ये जो लाल झंडा देखता है, ये लाल झंडा को शासक सैनिक का जो आदमी है वो डरता है हमको, इसीलिए बैरिकेड बना के रखा है।
We want justice.
The CPIM workers who have assembled here are demanding justice for the RG Kar hospital doctor who was raped and murdered. And you can see they have put up a poster on that 9-foot long barricades that have been set up here to prevent them from advancing towards Lal Bazar. You can see that atop these barricades, they are now putting up a poster which reads in Bangla, Lal Bazar Chalo. So clearly tense situation prevailing at this point in time, where police have prevented them from going towards Lal Bazar.
Okay, all right. And this comes on the day that the Supreme Court has also raised some scathing questions. Remember, Pooja, the Supreme Court has pulled up the government time and again and has also spoken about the destruction of evidence as well as a delay in filing the FIR. Pooja?
Well, absolutely. We've seen how the Solicitor General had highlighted in the court that the CBI is assuming that some evidence could have been tampered. However, we will have to wait and see what the court has observed in its order, because clearly the Chief Justice has said that they don't want to comment on the CBI investigation.
Supreme Court pulled up the state government time and again, and Sabyasachi is also joining us from the protest site. Sabir Sachi, the left workers are continuing with their demand of the resignation of the Chief Minister. This comes on the day, and this is not the first time that the Supreme Court has pulled up the state government.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. Straight away showing the visuals around. You can see hundreds of CPIM party workers have gathered, and they have called for the gherao of Lal Bazaar. Meanwhile, the Kolkata police have barricaded the road which leads to Lal Bazaar. On the other side of the barricade, water cannon vehicles have been deployed. The police continuously telling the CPM protesters to move back, to not proceed further. Now the CPM have been demanding the resignation of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal. See, the resignation of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal demand has not only come from CPM, it has also come in from the BJP, as well as the doctors who have been protesting at RG Kar Hospital for over a month now. See, the Chief Justice also pulled up the state government for the lapses as far as the investigation is concerned, which was done by the Kolkata police. See, there were few pertinent questions that was asked by the Chief Justice regarding why there was a delay of 14 hours to register the FIR. Why did some of the documents are missing from the files, the documents related to the postmortem, as well as the materials that has been collected from the crime scene. The Chief Justice, in fact, asked the state government to give these files in the next hearing that is going to take place on Tuesday. So several pertaining questions have been asked by the Supreme Court to the state government regarding the lapses in the investigation, whether it comes to the CCTV footages, though the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said that yes, the state government has submitted all
Absolutely.
the
Sabir Sachi, stay with us. In fact, we have breaking updates coming in. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has alleged that the centre was conspiring. This, as she was speaking about the public outcry involving the rape and murder of the doctor. She claimed that TV channels were provoking RG Kar only for their TRP. She also added that there was a conspiracy by some to burn the state and harm the state's economy ahead of Durga Puja. Listen in to the claim by Mamata Banerjee.
কেউ কেউ শুধু প্রভোকেশন করছে টিআরপি বাড়ানোর জন্য, কেউ কেউ রাজ্যটাকে জ্বালিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য প্রভোকেশন করছে। সে সত্যি কথা বলুক, আমাদের কোনো আপত্তি নেই, এটা তাদের গণতান্ত্রিক অধিকার, আমরা রেসপেক্ট করি। কিন্তু কেউ যদি মনে করে এটা আমার ওয়ান পয়েন্ট এজেন্ডা টু মিসলিড দ্য পিপুল, টু ডিস্টর্ট দ্য পিপুল, ডিস্টর্টেড দ্য এজেন্ডা, miscommunication, discommunication and malpractice, it's a crime. অনেক মিথ্যে কথা আমি শুনেছি দীর্ঘদিন ধরে। তো ষড়যন্ত্র না হয়, কয়েকটা টিভি চ্যানেল, আই মাস্ট সে, এর জন্য আমি সিএসকে বলবো একটা টাস্ক ফোর্স করে একটা সিলেকশন কমিটি করে দিতে। অন্য রাজ্যে যে নিয়ম কানুনগুলো আছে, যেটা সবচেয়ে বেটার সেটাকে নিয়ে একটা সিস্টেম করতে।